Ready, yeah? What did you get?
They didn't have what I ordered, so I just pointed at something.
Pizza and...
I don't know.
That is kind of long, though.
It looks like ham or bacon. He said something about eggshells. So.
Eggshells? That's crazy. I got a bagel. Now we've got to get a taxi. Let's try this out. Yeah, mad. This is really just a plain bagel. It's still nice though. Can we just get any of these crabs? There's a lot of crabs here. Is he taking you?
Sorry?
Is that guy taking you?
No. I just checked the price.
How much is it?
It said 50.
50 euros?
Yeah.
What? That's outrageous.
I know. I don't even know where am I going.
What the f?
Neither him.
50 euros, that's crazy.
Try and get a food. Yeah,
50 euros. Oh, trains.
It's saying M3.
M3, what does that mean?
It's probably a train line, isn't it?
How long does it take?
40 minutes, then we change.
Realistically, I'm pretty sure because in England, all of our trains are privatised. I'm pretty sure in most other countries they're not. That's why the trains are so cheap in Spain. So I reckon it's going to cost like £2 or £3 just to go from the airport to the city centre. Instead of 50 euros, man.
It's probably going to be free because I'm not going to pay for a ticket.
What's that saying?
Probably nice about 8 hours ago.
Question is it contactless? Bro, it's contactless. It's contactless. Just pay with your Monzo.
Or a bank card. Could be like an oyster thing.
Bro, it's contactless, bro. It's got that same thing. I think you're right. What? Yeah. Oh, go. It's crazy. Huh? Yeah.
Oh, you've definitely booked a place in the slums. Train to work.
Bro, it is a bit mad. Bare graffiti everywhere, man. What's going on with this? This is like the center of Athens as well. Alright, well, this is Athens. There's graffiti everywhere. Where are we actually going? This way?
You should be just here. Other side of the road.
Well, I cannot remember what the AP looked like. Oh, that's nice, man. That's nice. What pattern? 3 bedrooms. So where's the hot tub then? That's not the hot tub. Bro, am I bugging or did it say there's a hot tub? Oh my god. I don't know, man, like there's so much graffiti. It's got me thinking like, nah, we can't be in the city centre, but, or like close, or even close, bro.
We're in like the Shepherd's Bush. So.
Nah, this is like,
but from a distance perspective.
This is like the Croydon. This is like the Croydon of London. It's such a I just need some food. There's gotta be one place with some sexy food. Yeah, there just has to be. There just has to be one place at least. I'm not asking for a lot. What do you want to do? Should we grab food there then?
Should have asked the Uber Eats guy.
Alright, we've walked too far. That's it now. I've walked too far. I've committed. That is the decision. Is this a decision? For I still can't believe when you arrive in Greece, if you're a non-EU citizen, you get prioritized. That was fucking crazy, man. The mentality that I had, I was so ready to sit in that queue for like an hour. Oh, finally. Something nice. You'll never escape the graffiti.
National Museum of Archaeology.
National Museum of Archaeology. Big up the archaeology people. See, the thing is, you've got like beach Greece, which is incredible, amazing, sexy. And then you've got Athens, which is just, this is mental, bruv. Like, what? What?
Isn't this like centre of the world once upon a time?
There, police and that. It looks quite multicultural as well. Which I'm kind of surprised about.
What?
I thought Athens would just be like, I know it's a capital city, but I wasn't really expecting to see so many like Asians and black people. I've seen quite a few of just everyone. The thing is, there's so much graffiti to the point where that's not just one person doing it. Do you know what I mean? Like, that is like the whole city doing it.
It seems encouraged.
Yeah, exactly.
It's like they couldn't be asked to paint anymore, so it's like, you know what, like, just let everyone graffiti it. To be fair, that building looks pretty cool. Looks like one of those hot coals they put on the shisha. Shit, you didn't tell me you came to Athens before.
Bro, it's the queer rights. I just want some food. I'm so hungry. I just want some souvlaki. Quite a few homeless people as well, actually. You know, when we went to Poland, I didn't see no homeless people.
Bro, you was homeless in Poland.
That was it.
Literally got arrested for being homeless.
Do you know what? There has to be a reason for it. There just has to be.
So they dug it up and they found some ancient streets underneath.
Oh shit. Oh mad. Yeah, my brain was just.
So I can't be asked to.
That's crazy.
It's just a street, innit?
What was they building?
Well, City Hall was there in front of it.
Yeah. What were they building? They were trying to build something, innit? Do you know what? I was reading it and then my mind just started thinking about other shit. Athens has potential to be like a proper nice city, but the graffiti lets it down big time.
And the smell of pig.
Yeah, that's not great either. Do you know what as well, like, the language is just crazy, bro. There's not many places that have their own letters, do they?
I mean, not in Europe.
Why does all of Europe have the same alphabet, do you know what I mean? But Greece doesn't. That's bare random. I'm pretty sure even Turkey have like the same, or nearest the same alphabet.
I mean, Greece probably had their own alphabet first, and then everyone else came along and was like, oh, fuck that shit, it looks too complicated. Just made another one.
What was it? Gregorian calendar? What am I going on about? Alright, cool. We can definitely get some food around here.
But it's open.
On my days, four quid for a burger.
Sweet.
Insane. Should we get it?
I think we should, because I don't...
Alright,
they
fuck.
might already be closed, so... There's a chair there. I think they're closed.
Hello, are you still serving food? No? Okay.
So,
Nah, they're shut. Come on, let's go somewhere else. Did you hear her? She's like, no. Man, so that's like a little Orthodox church. I'm f***ing starving. I'm f***ing hungry. So we're trying to go up there.
12 minutes to go as far as you can go.
There's no way that's taking 12 minutes.
Yeah, it is, man. I think part of it's just on a ladder.
Bro, it's already f***ing...
Nah, that's been like 30 seconds and we're like halfway there.
Oh, this place must be popping during the day.
Innit?
Must be. Cool. That's some serious stairs. These stairs are no joke. What the fuck? Oh look, it's closed. There's no way that's shut all the time.
I mean, try the handle, it might be open.
Okay. Ah, it's locked. Ah.
Shit, we got guards over there.
Alright, we're definitely not jumping over that. Security there as well. That's crazy. Wait. Oh, bruv, look at the stairs there. I reckon you can go on top of this mountain bit. Nah, it just says slippery surface. Ah, yeah, these 100%.
Yeah,
Yeah. All right. And probably derives from Ares, the god of war. All right, I'm bored. Oh shit! Look at that view. That is sexy as f***, bruv. That's what I'm talking about, baby. Hey, look at that, bruv. View. Bro, that's actually incredible. Then you got, was it Acropolis over there? Yeah, mad. Bro, if there was a guy selling gyros up here, man, oh, that'd be incredible. Right, is this where people are coming
right,
to?
this is the spot. I'm
This is the spot, isn't it?
If I was Greek, I definitely would have banged a girl up there.
Bruv, I can't believe this is the spot. People are coming up here to like get with each other.
It's good. Isn't
Up
it?
there is a spot.
Nah,
like
you know what?
that is a nice spot.
It's sick because it tells you a lot about like all you need to know. Yeah, if she can't make it to the top of the hill, cut that off, innit? Thinking like, oh, I'm hungry, there's nothing to eat. She's gonna go in her bag, whip up a gyros. She's a sick cook as well.
Yeah, this is mad. So like what I've gathered from Athens is basically just a city of ruins. Like everywhere you go, just bare ruins. Bare ruins and bare graffiti. Even near Acropolis, it's bare. What year was all this being made? Is this BC? Has to be, innit? Has to be. This is ancient era. Has to be. I need a Greek tour guide. They've got so many of these sites where they can't, like, a bunch of the land in Athens is just, like, you can't build on it. This is all probably UNESCO sites or whatever you call it. That guy was eating something, so yeah, it's this place here. That's where we're gonna go, Mr. O Chips.
Looks like a pizza place.
Rate the food out of 5.
5. Look who finally made it.
Oh my days. Cheese. How much was it?
2 quid.
£2, bro. And all of that as well. Bro, what are you telling me? You good, yeah?
Bro. Ready?
Bro, how'd you miss your flight, bro?
Bro, I got drunk, I got lit.
Bro, it's fair cheap. It was like £2 for kebab. After that food, I really want something sweet, but I said I'd stop eating.
You're on holiday, bro.
Bro, I can't believe they gave us all that food for free.
Just gonna throw it out, innit?
What?
Closing, innit?
Oh, I thought you was gonna say you're gonna throw it. I was like, don't you dare, bruv. We're finished in all of it, 100%. What did you get?
I don't know, bro. I haven't seen it before. Herbal tea, gingers.
Gingers?
You have the Hennessy?
Oh, no.
What are you doing, Hamza?
Just
You have
the
the smaller one, smaller one.
Yeah, give him the smallest one you've got.
Yeah, don't.
Yeah.
Shit.
Oh, you got one half that size.
What's this for tomorrow? There's no partying for. There's nowhere to go party tonight.
No, I just have a one shot. You know what I'm saying?
Habibi, with some price, mia bira, ana bira, mia bira.
A beer?
No, yes, please.
What's that?
Mia bira, bira.
I don't know what that is.
Huh?
I don't know, bro.
One beer for me.
Bro, no, I can't be doing that. Do you know he come up and said to me? Yeah, innit, Habibi. Bro, free food.
You still want doing what we said earlier? Go back to the apartment. You said when was that porn? Foot porn in the hot tub. You said it. You said I was like, nah. You're like, no, I can't. It'll be jokes when Hamza gets it.
That just went straight over my head.
Such an outrageous thing to say. I just realised. I just ate a lot of chips. You ever eat so many chips that you get chip knot? Like you get pains in your stomach, get a chip knot.
Nah, man, I never heard of that.
Am I bugging?
Chip knot.
I'm sure that's a thing. Chip knot.
You
Did
can
I just make that up?
You can make it a thing, bro.
Nah, I'm sure it's a thing. Chip knot. Alright, should we cut? Oh, you ordered food? I didn't even clock. I thought we were supposed to do.
Oh, I'm blurred as f.
Yeah, you got chip knot.
Chip knot, bro.